Hey guys, Goofy Kid here. I'm recording this from my iPhone. I'm sorry guys if the description is not what it says. Yes, the Sliver Play Button. Someone asked me in real life, what would I do with it if I got it? And my honest answer is, I would keep it for 6 months and take a lot of videos of it and pictures and all that and put up on social media. And then after 6 months, I would auction it off for there's 3 charities that I want to auction off for. There's cancer research, there's Alzheimer's research, and there's Dogs Trust. So that's what I would do with my play button if I got one. So thank you to whoever, I know myself who asked the question. They don't want their names up here. So thank you to whoever asked me that question, and I hope that helps you. So peace out, stay safe, love and respect, and remember, keep it real guys, keep it real. No hate needed, just love. Right. Thanks guys.